हेलो नमस्कार, मैं हूं अमित कौशिक।
मैं नम्रता कौशिक।
हम यहां पर ड्रीम मेडोज़ लेआउट में रह रहे हैं और कोर बीएलआर ने जो कुछ भी किया है उससे हमारी ज़िंदगी जो है बहुत आसान हो चुकी है, मैं ये कहूँगा। और ये एक बहुत बड़ा चेंज है, क्योंकि पहले यहाँ जो क्या होता था, एक छोटी सी रोड है और एक बड़ा सा स्कूल है, जैसे कि आप पीछे देख रहे हैं रैन स्कूल, जिसकी सैकड़ों बसेज आती हैं, 2 या 3 शिफ्ट्स में बच्चे आते हैं और यहाँ हमेशा जैम रहता था। और इसका जैम का मतलब था कि ना तो हम अपने घर से जा सकते हैं, ना हमारे बच्चे स्कूल टाइम से जा सकते हैं, ना हम वापस आ सकते हैं। और अब ये है कि यहाँ पर बहुत आप पीछे देख रहे हैं कि एक पार्किंग लॉट बनाया गया है और इस पार्किंग लॉट में ये पार्किंग लॉट 10 मिनट तक फ्री है और उसके बाद लोग यहाँ पर बहुत ही नॉमिनल रेट्स पे लोग पार्क कर रहे हैं। प्लस हमारे बहुत सारे वॉलंटियर्स हैं जो कि लोगों को डायरेक्ट करते हैं कि हाँ आइए पार्क कीजिए, जिससे कि यहाँ जो सड़क के दोनों ओर जो 2 व्हीलर्स और 4 व्हीलर्स के कारण ट्रैफिक जैम होता था वो अब ख़त्म हो चुका है। दूसरी चीज़ जो की गई है कि यहाँ पर कोर बीएलआर ने इसमें दोनों साइड लेन क्रिएट किए हैं। सड़क बहुत छोटी है, फिर भी लेन इस तरह से क्रिएट की गई कि इस पर ट्रैफिक जैम नहीं होता है। और पेडेस्ट्रियंस के चलने के लिए जो लोग पैदल आ रहे हैं, पीछे बच्चे हैं, उनके लिए बोलार्ड्स लगाए गए हैं, जिससे कि खतरा जो था कि पीछे से कोई टक्कर मार के चला जाएगा बहुत कम हो चुका है। और साइकिलिस्ट और पेडेस्ट्रियन जो है एक आराम से मेन रोड तक जा सकते हैं। और ये सड़क एक प्रकार से एक मॉडल रोड बन चुकी है, इस पूरे इसमें एग्जांपल है ये। और यहाँ पर केवल सड़क और ट्रैफिक मैनेजमेंट नहीं है, ये इसके अंदर है कि कोई भी यहाँ खुदाई चल रही है तो बेस्कॉम, बीबीएमपी, कोई भी यहाँ पे केबल्स के लिए, पाइप के लिए जो डिगिंग करता है, वॉलंटियर्स और पूरे लोग एक साथ आके इसको देखते हैं कि इससे ठीक से लेवल कर दिया गया है, सड़क को रिस्टोर कर दिया गया है और इससे ट्रैफिक में कोई आवाजाही में कोई बाधा ना हो। इसके अलावा एक कलवर्ट क्रिएट किया गया था, क्योंकि बार बार वहाँ से केबल डालने के लिए सड़क को खोदा जाता था। कलवर्ट यानी कि एक नाला जैसा क्रिएट किया गया, उसके ऊपर पूरा स्टील का एक नया स्ट्रक्चर बनाया गया, जिससे कि नेक्स्ट टाइम जब भी केबल की मरम्मत करनी हो, कुछ और करना हो, तो उसके लिए हमें खुदाई करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है। तो ये सारे के सारे काम के लिए ये पूरा पब्लिक प्राइवेट पार्टिसिपेशन है। इसमें गवर्नमेंट का भी योगदान रहा है, लेकिन ज़्यादा योगदान मैं ये कहूँगा यहाँ के निवासियों का, यहाँ के वॉलंटियर्स का और कोर बीएलआर ग्रुप कर रहा है, जिसके कारण इस पूरे जो यहाँ पर 3 या 4 लेआउट्स हैं, यहाँ पर बहुत सारी बिल्डिंग्स हैं, इसके सबके निवासियों की और स्कूल के बच्चों की का जीवन जो है बहुत आसान हुआ है यहाँ पर।
अनुशासन और सुरक्षा की दृष्टि से बहुत बड़ा अचीवमेंट है कोर बीएलआर ग्रुप का। मैं एक माँ के दृष्टिकोण से बताती हूँ कि पिछले साल जब हमने यहाँ पर मूव किया था, बच्चों की बसों को 1-1 घंटा जाम में फंसे हुए मैंने खुद देखा है, जब मैं अपने घर से अपनी मीटिंग ख़त्म करके बच्चों को लेने पहुँचती थी, क्योंकि रायन स्कूल की बसेस अपने हिसाब से पार्किंग करती थी और पेरेंट्स जो लेने आते थे वो अपने हिसाब से करते थे। तो बच्चों की जो ट्रांजिट टाइम था वो उसमें आराम से 1 घंटा, आधा घंटा की बढ़ोतरी को कट किया है, नंबर 1। नंबर 2, लोगों में ये जागरूकता पैदा करी है कि यहाँ पर सब लोग जा रहे हैं, सबकी सुरक्षा। हमारा बड़े बुजुर्ग भी हैं जो सुबह सुबह जॉगिंग करते हैं, चलते हैं। मैं खुद एक मैराथनर हूँ। पिछले साल तक मेरे को सड़क पे रन करने के लिए, चलने के लिए जगह नहीं मिलती थी, जो अब इस पार्किंग की वजह से मैं सुबह सुबह आराम से अपनी मॉर्निंग वॉक ख़त्म कर पाती हूँ। बच्चों की तरफ से कोई टेंशन नहीं है, क्योंकि बसेस भी आराम से आ जा रही हैं। जिस तरह का यातायात इस रोड पे है, उस हिसाब से अगर ये पार्किंग लॉट ना हो तो इसकी स्थिति इतनी बुरी हो जाए कि अंदर से कोई बाहर ना जा पाए और बाहर से कोई अंदर ना जा पाए। तो कोर बीएलआर ग्रुप को और जितने भी यहाँ पर वॉलंटियर्स हैं उनको मेरी तरफ से, एक माँ की तरफ से बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद। थैंक यू।
Hello, my name is Arshia and I am residing in this residency for the past 10 years. I used to come to pick my son and drop my daughter, like for the past 10 years I'm coming. And while I was in past, when I bring my son and daughter, that was a big chaos of the honking sound of the bus and cars. The whole road used to be blocked and I used to wait for a long time till that end corner from my home. So when this residents group, they got a new idea of a parking lot, which is very convenient and comfortable now. There is no honking sound and the road is very free. We can easily accessible for all the people, all the parents who are coming and picking their son or daughter. It is easy accessible and it is free of traffic. So lots of buses used to jam and there was a big traffic jam in the single road. Now it is very comfortable, easily accessible. Parking is the main thing, is accessible, convenience, safety. All these 3 things are very important for a parent when you pick up the child. I used to search for places before before when I come to park my vehicle, I couldn't find. I used to roam around, and this was inconvenience caused to the shopkeepers also. I used to park in front of the shop. So now when if this all is done, it is very comfortable for me, very easily accessible. I know this is my place to park. I come daily. I have this is my parking space, and it's for literally for me. So first and all, it's like first come first serve. Whenever I come first, I used to get the parking space, and now later on when this parking lot is done, it is very comfortable. I thank the association group or the residents group who are all taking part in this. You people behind the camera who are organizing, guiding nicely daily, standing in the sun. That is very comfortable and very easy. We all are having a happy, safe and a comfortable parking now. Thank you.
1, 2, 3.
Hi, I'm Santosh, staying in Dream Meadows. So, உங்கள் எல்லாருக்குமே தெரியும், this particular stretch of this Ryan International School எப்போவுமே it used to be very congested and traffic jam during the pickup and drop times especially. This is I'm talking about maybe 1 year before and before that, right? So, இப்போ after making all the changes, making this new parking lot and the parking rules over here, things have changed pretty much. So, இப்போது வெளியில் வரணும், அந்த பிக்கப் அண்ட் ட்ராப் டைமில் வெளியில் வந்து எங்கேயாச்சும் போகணும் அப்படின்னா நம்ம யோசிக்க தேவையில்லை ஆக்சுவலாக. ஸோ வி டோன்ட் நீட் டு ஃபியர் த டிராஃபிக் பீங் பைல்ட் அப். ஸோ யூ கேன் ஜஸ்ட் கோ ஓவர் அண்ட் யூ கேன் கோ டு த மெயின் ரோடு வெரி ப்ரெட்டி கம்ஃபர்டபிளி. ஸோ முன்னாடி என்ன ப்ராப்ளம் இருந்துச்சுன்னா, இந்த சின்ன ரோட்டில் வந்து ஆன் போத் சைட் ஆஃப் த ரோட்ஸ் தே யூஸ் டு பார்க் த வெஹிக்கிள்ஸ். So there was no control, nobody is there to control it, and there was no proper plan also. So now that Core BLR, they took a very bold step and very nice set of steps, stage by stage avanga implement pannanga. So if you see, there were a lot of bollards that were put first, and then they got a particular parking space rented out, and then they made all these boards and then facility to make the online payment whenever you want to make a parking, and it's very nominal also. It's just like 10 rupees or something like that. So now it's very comfortable. People can easily, parents who are coming in, they are able to park easily and get their children and then carry away. So one of the most important thing is, in the stretch ரொம்ப சின்னதாக இருக்கிறதுனால யூஸ்வலாக இந்த ஸ்கூல் பஸ்ஸஸ் வரும்போது நிறைய டிராஃபிக் ஜாம் ஆகும். ஸோ அந்த சமயத்தில் ரெண்டு சைட்லேயும் வெஹிக்கிள்ஸ் பார்க்க இருந்துச்சுன்னா it takes time. Even for a school bus which is just near the entrance of Ryan, the Dream Meadows போகணும்னா it will take 10 to 15 minutes earlier. Now it's not like that. They just breeze. It's like a breeze. They just pass through. And one of the most important thing is Core BLR, especially along with Arvind and Shiva sir. So they have been here day in and day out. Every time school drop and pickup time varumbodhu, they are here managing the traffic and doing everything. So my request for the parents and other people is that it doesn't require anybody to be on the ground and guide them. So we have to do it ourselves. We can park our vehicles ourselves at the right place and without causing any disturbance to the ongoing traffic. And if somebody is yarache park பண்ணலனாலும், we can directly go out and speak to them. It's not necessary that somebody has to be there from the Core BLR. அவங்க வந்து தான் பார்த்துக்கணும்னு அவசியம் இல்லை. So we have to take it on our hands and park nicely and efficiently. So thank you very much Core BLR and the entire team. It's been nice. So for decongesting the traffic around the Ryan School. Thank you.
Hello, I'm Roshan Ali. I live in Chaitanya Lagro, one of the communities here in BLR. I actually moved here in 2013 and oh man, I was not happy about this road coming in. The first time we moved, following the moving truck down this road into our society, I was not looking forward to doing the daily commute on this road. It was an absolute nightmare. And that was just the surface. The traffic was even worse, especially now during the Ryan School discharge timings in the afternoon. Oh my god, it was an absolute nightmare. And I think I remember when I moved here, I was like, maybe we should just move back, because there seems to be just one road that's feeding all these societies. That was 2013, but I think over these last years, BLR has just completely transformed this entire place. And I think at this time, if you'd come in around 2013, 2014, you would have seen jam here probably. And now, as you can see around, it's just completely empty and organized, and traffic moves freely. Especially this, I think there was a big transformation after this parking lot has been opened, and just the sheer amount of creativity and effort that BLR has put into managing this situation has vastly benefited everybody in this entire place. So I just want to thank all of you, and people should come and see for themselves, I think, the kind of transformation that's occurred here. And some people just sit around, I think, waiting for government to do things, but government is not some magical force that can change everything all the time. So I think this is the way to go, that people in communities should get together and transform their quality of life. So that's all I want to say. Thank you.
Myself, John, and I'm a Ryan parent. Earlier I used to come to drop my ward to the school. I used to have a lot of difficulties, this traffic block and all that used to be there. But right now, when organized parking was provided, I think that the problem is solved to a certain extent. You can say around 90% of the problem. Still, people are not cooperating as such. Only that problem is there. But other than that, most of the people using this facility is cooperating to a certain extent. So that way, I like the association, residents association, who's taking care of all these facilities and all that. They have done a good job, and I appreciate it. I feel everywhere the same model works out. It will be good for the traffic situation in and around Bangalore, so that everybody can move around freely and without any hassles. So this is a good initiative done by that's.
I'm one of the Ryan School parent. I have my two sons studying in class 4 and class 6. I've been coming to Ryan International for the last 6 to 7 years, and there has been a remarkable development in terms of parking in this area. Right? Previously, everything was a hodgepodge. People used to just park it over the side of the road, and people used to just create a havoc. There were a lot of arguments on the road I used to see, because cars passing by did not have much of space, particularly the bigger buses. Okay, because the road is, all know that the road is not very wide, and it used to create a lot of problem for the pedestrians as well. There was a lot of risk for the pedestrians. Okay, they really worked hard, and they have come up with this parking management system along with the walkway, which is really good. Okay, because it makes the people safe. Okay, because that is what is the main concern nowadays, whether you come out home and whether you go back home safe, whether that is the concern for every parent. Okay, including their children and the parent himself, right? So that has been a remarkable development.
Hello, myself Renji Thomas. I am a parent of Ryan student, and earlier while picking up and dropping my kid to the school, there has been a terrible parking issue going on here. People used to park on the way. As you can see, it's an L-shaped road, and we face a lot of challenges parking, and many people parking on the road, and there has been a very huge traffic congestion. But however, the resident layout volunteers have taken an initiative to create such a big and spacious parking lot. It's been going successful for last 1 year. I can see the way things are organized in a good way, and once we parents also park in a proper way at designated slots, we can actually reduce a lot of traffic, and in fact we can save a lot of fuel. We can actually control the pollution which is happening. Earlier, like almost 15 minutes it used to take to get out of this area. Just after picking my daughter, I had to actually wait on a scooter, right? And at that time I was having a petrol scooter, and I used to be wondering like how much fuel and how much pollution we are creating. Right now you can see there has been like a systematic way of parking, and the organizers has been Very wonderful. They have been there every day, every school day, like every time when we drop our kids, right? They are always there and helping to control the traffic situation. This has been a very good initiative. In fact, we have saved a lot of time, like on this last 1 year. It just takes me 2 minutes to I can just come on time at the proper pickup time, just park on the place in within 2 minutes, get my kid and walk outside. In fact, they have also made a nice a walkway through which earlier students and kids with heavy bag and all, even during rainy time, used to walk on the middle of the road or use the side of the road. But now we have a proper footpath, and also which is protected with lane and with proper crossing, which I believe should have helped all parents. I thank the community members and the community leaders for taking up this initiative, and I request all parents to use this facility.
The parking things which has come up recently, not recently, are almost around 2 years we have been witnessing this new change which is part of it. To give a little perspective, before this, you can see on the background there's the Ryan International School, where during the when the school gets over, the people were coming as a flock, and it was a complete chaos. So, and if you see today, if you look around, the way things are parked and the way people are coming and parking the vehicle in a systematic manner, so it was already there, because so we need a little discipline to implement all these things. So people know what is good for them, what creates a lot of challenges for others. Only thing is that we have to put it in a structure where people need to follow the system and process. That's what is required, and that is what our BLR people have done. So I really salute their endeavors. Not only that, one is we know what the solutions are, but only thing, second thing is how to implement that. We need dedicated people, dedicated set of people with a little patience to implement those things. And fortunately, we have those kind of people with us who helped us implement those things. And the third most important thing is how to sustain this model. It's not about implementing model. We have seen a lot of models which was implemented, but in few days, again you have seen a chaotic kind of a thing which has come up. But the good part here is we also have seen how the model is going to be a sustainable model. If you see, there's the parking board, which talk about the payment. Basically, to any model to sustain, we need some financial support to sustain the model, right? So this is what this is one. Second is for parking in this area. So one is we have taken this area from somebody and we have to pay that, and we have to sustain the model. So for that, one is the parking fee we are collecting, and the second most important thing, the people who are disciplined. Generally, we should also be giving due importance to the people who are following those at a very good manner. So if you can see there, the best parking of the month. So that's where it helps the people to be more disciplined and to follow the process. So they are rewarded in fact they're getting rewarded. So that's another way of sustaining the model, so which is also very commendable. So once again, thanks to that, and I can see still the endeavor going on after 2 years. Few volunteers have dedicated their time and effort and are always present to bring this chaos into a more disciplined way of structured way of collecting their kids and making this complete things a success and good. Thank you so much.